Want to add proxies in ClonBrowser? You can do it in two ways, directly to a browser profile or by uploading a proxy list. Let's start with the browser profile method. In the main window, click New Browser. Name your browser profile and head to the Proxy tab. Click on Custom. Now, it's time to get your proxy details. You can choose any type, but today I will use residential proxies. Head to our dashboard. Click on Residential Proxies and select Residential. In the Proxy Setup tab, click on Create User. Type in the username of your choice and hit Add. The password will be generated for you. You can also use IP whitelisting. Click on the Authentication drop-down list and select Add Whitelisted IP. Then, enter your current IP address and hit Add. Choose a preferred proxy user, location, session type, and output format. Here you'll find the generated endpoints. Copy one and get back to ClonBrowser. First, select the proxy protocol. ClonBrowser supports HTTP, HTTPS, SOCKS 5, and SOCKS 5 plus TLS. You may also assign a proxy name. Then enter proxy credentials, host, port, username, and password. To test your proxies, hit Connect Test. If your setup is successful, you'll see Connection Test Passed with your new IP address and geolocation. Configure the rest of the fingerprinting options. Then click Create Browser. Now let's try another integration method, uploading a proxy list. In the main window, select the Proxies tab and click New. Then, select the proxy protocol. Name your proxy and enter proxy credentials, host, port, username, and password. Check your setup with the Connect Test button. Last, click Save to save your proxy. To put proxies in action, head to the New Browser section, and for the proxy mode, choose Existing Proxy. Choose one and click Confirm. That's all you need to configure proxies with ClonBrowser. Want to start anonymous browsing right away? Get residential proxies using the link in the description. For more proxy setup guides, visit our YouTube channel and documentation.